Hi, I'm Tom Zahorski, Senior Design Manager for Tomica. I'm here to show you the Tomica Search and Repair Headquarters. The TomiHeroes are in training. Oh, there's an emergency. Time to deploy your TomiHero. Put them in the rescue train. Open the garage door. Time to deploy your ambulance. Put your ambulance on the flatbed and deploy your train for rescue. Some of the cool features of the Tomica Search and Repair Headquarters are lights and sound, a working zip line for your TomiHero, a training wall, and repair ramps to repair your vehicle. The fueling station has working fuel pumps. This set includes a 2-car motorized train and a die-cast ambulance. Thanks for looking at the Tomica Search and Repair Headquarters. Tomica, where imagination lives.